Hello lovely viewers, welcome again to the channel. I want to thank each one of you for the massive support so far, the subscription, comments, liking and sharing of our work. We just can't thank you all enough. Please keep supporting us, and we promise to bring to you amazing and quality content always. Our aim has always been that of portraying the good part of Africa to the whole world through our channel. Today we are coming to you from Cotonou in Benin. Benin, officially the Republic of Benin and formerly known as Dahomey, is a country in West Africa. It is bordered by Togo to the west, Nigeria to the east, Burkina Faso to the northwest, and Niger to the northeast. The majority of its population lives on the small southern coastline of the Bight of Benin, part of the Gulf of Guinea in the northernmost tropical portion of the Atlantic Ocean. The capital of Benin is Porto-Novo, but the seat of government is in Cotonou, the country's largest city and economic capital. Benin covers an area of 114,763 square kilometers, and its population in 2018 was estimated to be approximately 11.49 million. That is a small number of population. As you could see from the shots, the town is on the coastal strip between Lake Nokoué and the Atlantic Ocean. The city is cut in two by a canal, the Lagoon of Cotonou, dug by the French in 1855. 3 bridges are in this area. The only river flows into the Atlantic Ocean at Cotonou. The city has established transportation infrastructure including air, sea, river to Porto-Novo, and land routes that facilitate trade with its neighbors Nigeria, Niger, Burkina Faso and Togo. A prevalent mode of transport in the city is motorcycle taxi, known locally as Zemijan. The urban area continues to expand notably toward the west. The city lies in the southeast of the country between the Atlantic Ocean and Lake Nokoué. In addition to being Benin's largest city, it is the seat of government, although Porto-Novo is the official capital. Benin is a tropical nation highly dependent on agriculture and is a large exporter of palm oil and cotton. Substantial employment and income arise from subsistence farming. Please, if you have not subscribed to the channel, I will teach you to click on the red subscribe button. Wait for some few minutes, you see a notification bell. Click on it and select all to become part of the Sunset family. The official language of Benin is French, with several indigenous languages such as Fon, Bariba, Yoruba, and Dendi also being commonly spoken. The largest religious group in Benin is Roman Catholicism, followed closely by Islam and vodoo, commonly known in the outside world as voodoo, and Protestantism. What you are seeing in your shot right now is the biggest market center in Cotonou. Benin is a member of the United Nations, the African Union, the Economic Community of West African States, the Organization of Islamic Cooperation, the South Atlantic Peace and Cooperation Zone, La Francophonie, the Community of Sahel-Saharan States, the African Petroleum Producers Association, and the Niger Basin Authority. Cotonou's official population count was 761,137 inhabitants in 2006. However, some estimates indicate its population to be as high as 2.4 million. Where you are seeing in your shots right now is the Palais du Congrès, that convention center in English. This is where most of major programs that is being held in Benin or Cotonou is being taken. It's an event center or convention center. The area is very beautiful. Just where this convention center is, opposite you will find the American embassy, some few kilometers away. And opposite is, we see a massive infrastructure development going on in the town of Cotonou. The name Cotonou means by the river of death in the Fon language. At the beginning of the 19th century, Cotonou was a small fishing village and is thought to have been formally founded by King Gezo of Dahomey in 1830. It grew as a center for the slave trade and later palm oil and cotton. In 1851, the French Second Republic made a treaty with King Gezo that allowed them to establish a trading post at Cotonou. During the reign of King Nokoué, 1858 to 89, the territory was ceded to the Second French Empire by a treaty signed in 1878. In 1883, the French Navy occupied the city to prevent British conquest of the area. After Nokoué's death in 1889, King Behanzin unsuccessfully tried to challenge the treaty. The town grew rapidly following the building of the harbor in 1908. The population in 1960 was only 70,000. Please, as I've said, if you have not subscribed to the channel, I'll just entreat you to click on the red subscribe button and wait for some few minutes. You see a notification bell, click on it and select all to become part of this amazing family and watch our videos always. In 2015, a suburban passenger railway line was being developed between Cotonou and Pau. The town is noted for the numerous roundabouts. It has the lot of roundabouts in the whole of Africa as per my checks. Important manufactured goods include palm oil, brewing, textiles, and smith. Motor vehicles and bicycles are assembled, and there are sawmills in the city. Petroleum products, bauxite, and iron are major exports. There are offshore platforms drilling for oil. The city is a center for the automotive trade, with European brands being sold from vast open-air parking lots. Thank you for watching the video. Please keep watching our videos as we have amazing content for you, and we promise to bring you quality area videos always. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please click on the red subscribe button, wait for some few minutes, you will see a notification bell, click on it to get notified anytime we post our great videos.